Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and in this video I'll be doing basic market structure on how to spot a setup analysis. If you're a beginner and you are finding it difficult to find a setup for your market analysis, you have been on Signal Group for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you are still finding it difficult to understand, to do market analysis yourself, this video is for you. And without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go into analysis for today. This is daily time frame of GBP USD. I want you to listen attentively in order to understand how to spot market direction without wasting time, so that you can be free from Signal Group and be a market analyst yourself, because knowing how to analyze market is where your trading lies. Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go into the analysis. The first thing is you bring out your trend line and you have to draw your trend line as much as possible. In this is daily time frame for GBP USD, and this is daily time frame analysis. So after you draw your trend line, the next thing is to duplicate, or you can draw another one. Then this is the number one. So what do I do? Simple. The first thing was that I draw my trend line, I duplicated it, then turned it to counter trend line. To some traders, this is called channel trading because it looks like channel, like it looks like ladder that we used to climb wall. This is ladder. So that is the first thing. The second thing that you need to do is to bring out your rectangle tool and draw your key levels. And in order to know the right setup of key levels to draw, you will need to make sure that the key level is extremely effective. That is, it must touch the major key levels. So right now, this is where market reverse on Friday. This is where market reverse on this analysis. Let me go back to daily time frame so you can see. Now, as long as market is under this resistance level, this market is still in sell mode. What does it mean? It means that as long as market is here, anything that is happening under this box will be selling, not buying. But if market can break out, if this coming week, if market break out this key level and retest it, it simply means that market is ready to buy for throughout next week. But there is something amazing again in this market analysis that is about to play out. Let me draw something for you. This is inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. It might not be perfect, but it's still okay. This is inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. And if this chart pattern plays out the way it ought to be, it simply means that this market is actually a buying market, not selling market. So, and if that is the case, the best form of good entry is to be looking for buy, not sell. That's number two. Number three, the first thing I did was that, let me bring out to you. Rule 1, draw your trend line. Rule 2, duplicate it and make it look like channel. Rule 3, look for chart pattern or trajectory levels. These are the rules that you must follow. Rule number 1, draw your trend line. Rule 2, duplicate the trend line and let it make it to be channel. So this live analysis now, this is exactly what I have done. Then the next thing you will do is draw counter trend line. The purpose of this counter trend line is to avoid market manipulation, because market has already touched it here, it has touched it here, then here also where market broke it out, here making third one, here making it fourth one, and this is the fifth one. If market break out this level and retest it again, it simply means that if you go to 4-hour time frame, there is high probability that this market will be able to move by 190 pips. 190 pips set up. And make sure that you are ready to take profit. You must ready to take your profit somewhere around here. Take profit area, because your entry is as important as your take profit. Don't enter the market and be greedy. Yes, this market can still move to this key level, like can still move a lot, but remember, you are not a market maker. So don't be cocky. Let markets take your profit here or divide your profit into two, profit one and profit two. If you can do that, you'll be able to do what? Recognize a good setup in a single market analysis. And if you can recognize a good setup, then you can be free from signal group. You'll be able to analyze market yourself, make a decisions, and good risk management. Imagine entering this market with 20 pips stop loss and you're able to catch 170 pips take profit. With this analysis, you'll be able to catch a setup, take your like be in the market for 1 week, take your profit and exit the market in peace. With this simple principle, you can spot a setup market analysis which will increase your profitability. If you enjoyed this analysis, please click the subscribe button. Let us grow this channel, on your notifications, and thank you for watching till the end. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.